get to wherever I am. And where I am is where I'm going, and I'm going to the promised land. Yeah. And I don't always know my direction, but in faith and love I overstand that if I ask her for guidance, I'm guided by the Almighty hand. Yeah. And every time I'm feeling inspired, I take my guitar in my two hands. Your love is all the time and the word to reach that holy Zion land. And I won't let them take it away. No, I won't be led astray, no. And I don't need to ride nobody's coattails, and I don't need no one to hold my hand. I'm gonna make it on my own 2 feet, I'm gonna make it. On my blood, sweat and tears, I'm gonna make it. Not gonna fake it, no way, no. Ha! La 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 la. La 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 la. They said get a degree, but it wasn't for me. Higher education of the Almighty through music. Teach me love, teach me to use it. All I ever wanted was to spread your love, and the only way that I could rise above was music. Sweet reggae music. So every note I play is to give praise. That's why I play guitar and I sing. And I wouldn't trade these blisters on my fingers for no diamond rings. No way. I sing just for the love of your music, to pick you up when you are tattered and worn. And if I sound a little bit hoarse, it's 'cause I've been singing since the day I was born. Oh Lord, and I just wanna sing a little bit more. Yeah, and I'm sure that you can feel me. Don't need you to know just where I'm coming from, but I need you to feel me. Yeah. So you can go take it and make it your own song, yo. And don't you let them take it away. No, no, don't you let them lead you astray. No, no, you're gonna make it on your own. Feel you're gonna make it on your blood, sweat and tears. You're gonna make it, not gonna fake it. No way, no. Oh, I will never sell my soul to them. So many already giving in, never caught up in confusion, stuff of illusions. All this dirt that we've been digging in, searching for something that we would never find. Oh, mankind, we can let them take it away. No, 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 we won't let them lead us astray. And we don't need no president to lead us, and we don't need no general to take a stand. We're gonna make it on our own. Feel we're gonna make it on our blood, sweat and tears. We're gonna make it, not gonna fake it. No way, no, no. We're gonna make it, yeah. Our own 2 feet, I know we're gonna make it, yeah. On the blood, sweat, and tears, we're gonna make it. We're never gonna fake it, never gonna fake it, never gonna fake it, no way, no. Shoo! La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. But can you feel me? My heart pumping in my chest. Make some noise if you can feel me. People, please say yes, I need you to feel me. This is the real me. The reason I'm singing, the love that I'm bringing is pure and filtered for sure. 'Cause in my mind I saw a vision of peace. Every man, every woman, every child, one family, all singing together in one perfect harmony. It's not so far away. We're gonna make it someday.